I'm Al Ruth, Product Line Manager for Cable and Access Instruments. Drive Test for Leakage was born out of a government mandate in the United States, but it has since grown well beyond this mandate as operators see just how much better their plants work when they keep them tight. Cable operators with a disciplined leakage process report drops in upstream problems like covert errors, often resulting in significant drops in call center volumes. And beyond improving tangible metrics, they report that their networks just work better with fewer outages related to the fire drills and lower overall maintenance costs. Trilithic, now a part of Viavi, was a market pioneer in the drive test leakage solutions and continues to lead with the release of a compact portable solution that works even in small vehicles and rentals. Competitive solutions often require multiple modules to be installed and purchased and hardwired into each one of the tech's vehicles. Beyond the initial installation time and expense, there's a lot of effort required to keep it all working. Viavi took a different approach with the Seeker X family. This is all you need to monitor up to 4 frequencies, geotag and log leaks for off-air samples, and communicate them back to a centralized server. 2 magnetic mounted vehicle antennas cover the entire spectrum from 130 MHz to 1.2 GHz, and they can be permanently wired into the vehicle or installed temporarily in rental vehicles. The compact mobile charging cradle powers off of a cigarette lighter adapter, so it does not require any vehicle wiring, but it can be permanently mounted via standard ball mount, so it can be temporarily or permanently installed in the vehicle. The Seeker X detector, also fully frequency agile from 130 to 1.2 GHz, can be used to monitor up to 4 frequencies, including OFDM carrier detection. Same meter is used in charging cradle and in the vehicle and standalone in the field. With its software-defined radio architecture, the hardware is future-proofed against changes like the upcoming high-split architecture. Last but not least, using a mobile device running the Viavi Mobile Tech app that communicates wirelessly with the Seeker X meter, and when licensed with the X-Link option, it logs and geotags leakage readings and communicates them back to the cloud LawX server for processing. This logging and geotagging occurs both in the truck and in the field, another industry exclusive from Viavi. Mobile Tech app can also be used for remote meter display and control. As a virtualized mobile app-based solution, administration is much simpler and can be centralized via the StrataSync connectivity. This is a breakthrough in simplicity for implementing drive test when it was previously not practical. Perfect for small vehicles, including temporary or rental vehicles, even motorbikes. Great for converting your find and fix only trucks to drive and collect tons of data while techs go from job to job. You can affordably add service techs or installer vehicles to your drive test fleet because now they cover a lot of ground each day. While they probably won't be fixing many of the leaks that their trucks detect, they will give you unprecedented coverage of your plant. To learn more about this innovative solution or to schedule a demo, please visit viavisolutions.com or contact your local Viavi sales representative.